Hey guys! Today's video is going to be about one Win Token Airdrop. Before that, I'm your friend Crypto Pearl has brought a free giveaway for you in which you do not have to do anything to participate. You have to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and in the comment you have to tell why do you want dollars. As soon as 1,000 likes are completed on this video, I will give you at least $60 to a random person here. So, let's get into the video. In today's video, I am going to tell you all about a mining bot in which you can earn good money by mining. Many people do not even talk about this mining bot here. Hey guys, you can start mining by going to it because its listing is also going to happen here very soon. What do you have to do? You just have to click on the continue button here. You are here. You can see one win. This is the mining bot of that company. What you have to do is to continue here 2 or 3 times, like you will do this. Then, click on the Start Earning Money button here. After clicking, 50,000 coins will be given to you, which is simple. What you have to do here is to claim it. So, you will claim it here. After claiming, the cut will be given to you here. So if you pay here, then you will be open here in this mining bird. Okay, now how to use it. When will you get airdrop in this? How much token will you get? Guys, we'll discuss everything. Just keep watching the video, okay? Well guys, I go back here and guys, I open the mining bot here, okay. If you start it by clicking on the play button, it will open here, okay, and many users go here. It is also doing mining. In the coming time, its airdrop will also come here, so you can start now. There is a link in the description box of the video. Go check out this mining pot, so you can see some such interface here. You will get to see it here. It is simple, you have to tap 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 tap. It is of the same type as was in the hamster comet. You can see it here, as much as you tap 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 here. Your coin will keep increasing. I will also show you the profit per hour here. You can see the profit per hour here. You can also increase it here. And how much coin is there, that will also show on the side. And the income tab will show you how much you did, that will also show here guys. We'll do okay now guys, look what you have to do here, you have to earn coins, okay, rest. When will be its listing date, I will tell you further here. It is simple. First of all, you earn coins here by tap 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 here, you can give it guys. Next, you will get to see the option of tasks here. As soon as you click here, you can see many tasks here like brother look, if you go here and subscribe then you can see them here. Yes, here you will get 15,000 coins. In return for subscribing, if you do like and yes, follow etc., then you will get even more coins. Then in this way you will get many tasks which you can complete here if you want, just like you do here. You will click on it and here you will click on the subscribe button. You will be directly opened here. You have to complete everything one by one. Okay, let me close it once and then reopen it here and click here, like if you do, it will open here. So you can see here my new level has come here. Like once I completed the task, the new level has come here. So I clicked here and my one. The level has also been increased here. So by typing this you can increase the level here, and here you will see an option about token. Here you can see how many tokens you will get for how many coins. Everything is written here. You can check it out once. Go to it like okay, and again you click on earn button here, then you will get many such cards which you can unlock here and earn your profit. Whatever the hour is, you can increase it. Like brother, look, if I give 150 coins here, then I will get 10 coins here. That means on 10 profit, the hour will increase to me here. Okay, like this, you will click here on buy button. If you click on it, your profit will increase here. You can see it here. You can upgrade it again. Okay, if you want to keep increasing the profit power here, then you can see my profit power here 15. Okay, so with this type you have to keep increasing your pay here. You will get a lot of cards. If you click here and buy here, you can see this also. It is done, so with this type you have to keep doing it here, and you will get to see the daily tasks here. You will be given daily coins here. Like see, if I claim now, I have received 1,000 coins here. So guys, with this type, you can see up to 3 lakh coins, you can earn on this within 24 days. Okay, and guys, here you will see a booster option. If you want, you can boost the energy here like this. If you click and get, then you can increase the energy, i.e. coins which are increasing. And there are many more multiple options here, and yes, you can also invite friends, you can see here. Yes, you will get 50,000 coins for one invite here. 50,000 coins for one invite. And you will get to see games etc. on this page. So guys, you can try this on this page. Rest of the guys, go and do mining. Now it's listing. Guys, I will tell you when will the date be. For now this mining bot is new, it is fine, and the one win company. You all know which company it is, so this is a new start for now. It is okay, so as soon as the number of users etc. increases here, then it will also be listed in the future. Airdrop etc. will also come here, then you can start mining here. I liked it quite well here. So you should try it once. How did you like it? Do tell us by commenting. Guys, look here, Lucky Drop also works here. Okay, you can win here too. You can also win cards etc. here. And here you can buy tickets etc. and here you can participate in the contest that is going on here. So in this way you can try it here, so it is very good. Go and try it once. I hope you guys liked the information, that is, if you guys liked anything. Stay tuned to the Crypto Pearl channel for more updates and tasks related to the token launch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Crypto Pearl channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Win Token Airdrop. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.